Do you know how mustard is made? It's a question that might spark curiosity in your mind, and for good reason. The making of mustard, a condiment we often take for granted, is a process steeped in history and cultural significance. Originating thousands of years ago, mustard has spanned civilizations, from the ancient Greeks and Romans to the French monasteries. Mustard's versatility is truly remarkable. It's not just the yellow stuff you slather on your hot dogs. There's a whole spectrum of mustards out there, from the sharp and tangy English mustard, the smooth and mild Dijon, to the sweet and spicy honey mustard. Each type has its own unique preparation and uses. So, what goes into creating this globally beloved condiment? What journey does a simple mustard seed embark upon to become the flavorful paste enhancing our meals? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's delve into the fascinating process of making mustard. At the heart of every mustard bottle lies the humble mustard seed. This tiny, unassuming seed comes in three main types: white, brown and black. Each type holds its own unique flavor profile and heat level. White seeds, also known as yellow seeds, are the mildest and are commonly grown in the Mediterranean regions. Brown seeds, with a bit more punch, hail from the foothills of the Himalayas, while the black seeds, the spiciest of them all, are native to the Middle East. Harvesting these seeds is a delicate process, often carried out in late summer when the pods turn brown and crack open. They're then cleaned thoroughly, removing any extraneous plant matter before being prepared for the mustard-making process. The mustard seed is a testament to the adage that great things come in small packages. As unremarkable as they may seem, they pack a fiery punch that's waiting to be unlocked. Now that we have our seeds ready, it's time to unlock their fiery potential. The magic begins when the mustard seeds meet the grinder. This is where the tiny seeds transform into the tangy condiment we all relish. You see, the grinding process is a crucial step in mustard making. The seeds are crushed, releasing their oils, the source of that distinctive mustardy heat. Now there's a bit of an art to it. The fineness of the grind can dramatically change the texture and flavor of the final product. A coarse grind will give you a rustic, grainy mustard, packed with bursts of intense flavor. On the other hand, a fine grind results in a smooth, creamy mustard with a consistent heat that spreads evenly on your palate. So whether you prefer a robust, coarse mustard that pops in your mouth, or a silky, finely ground one that coats your tongue in warmth, it all comes down to the grinding process. With our mustard seeds ground to perfection, we're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to mix in some flavor. Once our mustard seeds have been ground to the right consistency, we start the process of adding in various ingredients. Water is usually the first addition, followed by vinegar. The vinegar not only adds a tangy flavor to our mustard, but also acts as a natural preservative. Salt is then added, enhancing the overall taste of the mixture. But we don't stop there. Depending on the type of mustard we're creating, other flavorings might be added into the mix. These could include honey for a sweet touch, horseradish for a bit of heat, or even herbs and spices for a more complex flavor profile. Once all the ingredients are combined, the mixture is then allowed to mature. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld together and the mustard to develop its unique tang and bite. Our mustard mixture is now left to mature, developing into the condiment we all love. After a period of maturation, our mustard is ready to be enjoyed. This piquant condiment, now a vibrant yellow paste, is set to begin a new journey. It's time for bottling, the process where our mustard is carefully packed into jars, ready to add a burst of flavor to your meals. As the jars are sealed, the mustard's journey from seed to spread is complete. From here, it's distributed far and wide, reaching supermarket shelves and perhaps your dining table. But the mustard story doesn't end here. No, it's just beginning. As a versatile ingredient, mustard finds its way into a myriad of dishes. It adds a tangy depth to marinades, a kick to sandwiches, and an unexpected zing to salad dressings. It can transform a humble hot dog into a gourmet feast, or add a spicy note to your favorite barbecue sauce. And so our mustard continues its journey, from the bottle to your plate, adding a little bit of magic to every meal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button.